Okay, something else I wanted to show you guys if you didn't know. So I had already gone into all my folders, my reading folders and all that stuff, and I made a page already, and then I was like, oh, let's make it somewhat cute. So I had already created this page, so instead of like going in and making a brand new page and then deleting it, I can go in here and I can click edit. And so you see I already have it, so I'm just going to erase it and paste my new text, and then save changes. Also, if you want to do this, like if you want to give directions to your students, and then you can add a file, or like a video or anything, you can link a video that they can watch. You can add a little video of yourself right on here. You can give them directions and add an external tool. I'll play around more with that later to figure out what all that does. But you can do that too. So you create a page and then you attach a video or whatever you need to. So this is to show you that. So I'm going to save my changes. And if it's something that I don't want my kids to see yet, so let's say I went into next week's folder and I'm like prepping all my materials and all my videos, and I don't want my kids to start doing those yet, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to click Unpublish. And when I click Unpublish, that means that only I can see that. The kids can't see it. They can't work on it yet. They can't do anything to it yet. So it's all there. And, I just have to go in and publish it when I'm ready for my kids to work on it. So like if you don't want your kids working ahead on things, you can always unpublish them, and do that too. So I'm going to go ahead and publish this because I don't care if my kids are working on their minutes. So yeah, there you go. Cool, cool.